Welcome to Superhero Switch Up, where saving the city involves plants, tech, and a whole lot of laughs.
As the sun set over the futuristic city, Captain America and Black Widow were on a mission, scanning the streets from their rooftop vantage point. Cap was in full hero mode, looking out over the city with a determined expression.
All right, team. We need to handle this with precision and care. No unnecessary damage.
Black Widow, ever the spy, was using her binoculars to keep an eye on the ground.
That means you, Shazam. No frying the plants unless absolutely necessary.
Meanwhile, Shazam was hovering nearby, his glowing emblem lighting up the darkening sky.
Oh, but lightning is my thing. All right, fine. I'll be careful.
Down below, Poison Ivy was reveling in the chaos she was creating, her plant creatures obeying her every command.
You think you can stop Mother Nature? My plants are unstoppable.
Cyborg, always the tech wizard, was interfacing with a digital billboard to try and disrupt Ivy's control over the plants.
Unstoppable until they meet my tech. Let's see how they like a little digital soothing music.
That's all for today's episode of Superhero Switch Up. When in doubt, leave it to the pros to handle plants and tech. See you next time.